Good evening. A concerning picture is emerging tonight for COVID-19 in BC as the province releases new modeling that shows the number of daily cases could approach record levels by late September.
CTV's Binder Sudjan reports that with hundreds of thousands still unvaccinated, it wouldn't take much to shatter previous case records.
New provincial modeling comes with what should now be a familiar caution.
This has become a pandemic that is spreading rapidly amongst pockets of people who are unvaccinated.
COVID-19 cases are expected to increase slightly. If those infected spread it to slightly more people than they do now, in a month, 1,200 people could get the virus each day.
By getting more people immunized can make a tremendous difference in the trajectory of our pandemic in the next month.
Dr. Bonnie Henry adding those who aren't vaccinated should stay away from large crowds where the virus can easily spread.
The most important actions we can take now to stop this transmission and to bend our curve back down are to decrease our infectious contacts.
Provincial data shows the rate of infection and hospitalization among those who aren't vaccinated is rising. It's much higher than those who have 2 doses of vaccine. Dr. Henry says compared to someone their own age, an unvaccinated 50-year-old is 12 times more likely to get the virus and 34 times more likely to end up in hospital.
The numbers of people who are being hospitalized around the province right now are highest in the 40 to 59-year age group.
Although symptoms are less severe, case numbers in those under 12 are starting to creep up. It's nowhere near what we see in the United States, but enough to warrant a closer look.
Those are the people that the rest of us need to protect by stopping transmission of this virus and by being immunized ourselves.
And Binder joins us now with more on this. So Binder, more than 1,000 cases a day potentially in September. What could that mean for additional restrictions?
Yeah, Scott, and I did ask Dr. Henry about that, and she spoke about the vaccine card system, the provincial mask mandate that we now have, and measures for post-secondary students. So it sounds like she's hoping that we don't get there and that these things will slow the transmission and also encourage vaccinations. Now, she says the time for broad measures is over, but she did say she is considering regional restrictions if they are required. One final note, she also spoke about possibly other healthcare workers who would be required to get the vaccine, and we are told details on that are coming. Scott?
Okay, thanks, Binder.